Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to flip your videos using the InShot app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, to flip your videos, you will have to open your video project in InShot. If you have only one video section, you just have to tap on your timeline, or if you have multiple sections and you just want to flip one of them, then you will have to tap and hold on the timeline, and this way it will open up the video section gallery, and then you can choose the one that you want to flip. And after you have chosen your video, you will have to swipe to the right until you find the flip icon. It's the second one from the right, and then you just have to tap on it and it's going to flip your video in no time. And yeah, it's pretty easy. By tapping on it again, it's going to flip it to the original position, and yeah, all the quality remains the same, just the orientation changes. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.